this frame, what you see is a track on a ring stand. You could see the meter stick here as a reference. There is a cart, and it's attached to this end stop with a string. Now these carts are really cool, the smart carts, because they not only measure velocity and time and acceleration, but they also have a force sensor inside. So what I did was I set this up, and then I let it run, and I got a value for, I measured the force. I let the force sensor run. And what you can do with this information, well, I'll do, is see this button here? This gives you the max value, minimum value, mean. You can do all these things. I'm just going to leave it on the mean and just click the button, and it gives you the mean force for the entire time, because this is a situation where you're at equilibrium. Okay? So this was the first run. I did 3 different angles. So what I want you to do is, together, you can work on this. I want you to figure out, right, what the mass of this cart is using this information. So you've got, this one is run 1. Let me switch it to run 2. And let me scale this for you so you can see it. We were talking about this in class on Monday, how you can like fix the scale if it's all blown out, you see. So now I can like actually see that it's a straight line. And here's the mean. And there's the new, is this the new picture? Yep. And ready for the third one. And here's the third run. Again, you see how this automatically blows out like this. So let me fix this scale. I can do this by clicking and dragging until I can see. I always like to see 0, 0 personally. You can change that scale, and then you can see the mean value. So this is the force. This is the average of all these data points. Now, could you use the equation of the line? Sure, you could. The slope should be almost 0, which it is. It's 10 to the negative 4th, which is so small that you can just discount it. And you can see the y-intercept is 0.723. That should be pretty much the same as the mean, because it's going to give you the value where the 0 hits the axis. It actually just gives you an extra digit. So you can also use this, but this is a pretty simple lab. You can just use the mean value. So those are the 3 trials. You'll notice in each one it gets steeper, and you can now please do this as a problem similar to what we did yesterday. You can do this out on paper. I want you to find the mass of the cart.